Hello guys, and welcome in today's lesson with your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in Science Paper 2, which is Chemistry. It was on Section A, question 13. The question, it was under the periodic table. So it was saying, the diagram shows part of the periodic table. This was a periodic table. It had group 1, group 2, group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or group 0, also known as group 0. So these were the elements in these groups. It said predict the element which is a diatomic and a gas at room temperature and pressure. So what you need to understand is that you need to understand what is a diatomic. A diatomic is a substance a diatomic substance is made up of two atoms joined together in one molecule. This di means the two, then atomic means atoms. That means it has got two atoms joined together. So what you need to understand is that elements that are diatomic gases at room temperature include the hydrogen. Not even you can see it is H2, nitrogen, N2, oxygen, O2, fluorine, F2, chlorine, Cl2. These are all they are all diatomic. So what you need to understand, these elements are mainly found in group 7. They are like the halogens. So these elements that are diatomic, most of them they are found in group 7. Hydrogen is the one only found in group 1. So but nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, they are all found in group 7. These they are the what? Diatomic. So with group 7 is here, there's Y. So the answer is supposed to be C. Why should you continue to struggle with chemistry, with science, when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just follow my TikTok channel if you're watching me on TikTok. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more science lesson. You must understand this, that the undergraduate teacher is where learning never stops. See you in the next video, guys.